The Trump administration has just unveiled something that has the crypto world buzzing, a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Supporters call it a game changer, critics call it reckless, and most Americans, well, they're just wondering what on earth this means. Let's break it down.
Last year, I promised to make America the Bitcoin superpower of the world and the crypto capital of the planet, and we're taking historic action to deliver on that promise, as you know, around the table. I also want to express my strong support for the efforts of lawmakers in Congress as they work on bills to provide regulatory certainty for dollar-backed stablecoins and the digital assets market. They're working very hard on that.
A future where Bitcoin isn't just something tech nerds and online traders talk about. It's part of America's financial security plan. That's the idea behind President Trump's latest executive order, consolidating all Bitcoin seized from criminal activity into a US Bitcoin strategic reserve. It's a move similar to how the US stockpiles gold and petroleum, except Bitcoin isn't a physical asset. It's a volatile digital currency controlled by no one and everyone at the same time. Supporters argue that holding Bitcoin could protect the country's wealth if the US dollar were to weaken in the future. They say this could help pay down national debt and act as a hedge against financial collapse. But there's a catch. Unlike oil, Bitcoin can't power industries. Unlike gold, it has no intrinsic value. It's a speculative asset, one that has seen massive crashes and recoveries over the years. So now, the question is who really benefits from this move? Critics say the biggest winners are early Bitcoin investors, many of whom were at the White House just days before this decision was announced. The government insists that no taxpayer dollars will be used to buy Bitcoin. But the executive order does allow officials to find budget-neutral ways to acquire more. That could mean new policies that indirectly boost Bitcoin's value. So, does the US really need a Bitcoin reserve? America already has the world's most powerful financial weapon, the US dollar. Bitcoin, meanwhile, was created to be an alternative to traditional currency. Holding it as a reserve? That's a contradiction that has left economists scratching their heads. The debate over Bitcoin's place in America's economy is just beginning. Whether it becomes a national safety net or national headache remains to be seen. Bureau Report, India Today Global.